Welcome, welcome everyone. It's Jennifer over here at DP Addiction Adventures. And guess what showed up on my doorstep today? I am such a Richard Lorenz groupie fan. I need to start the fan club. I am part of the Facebook group. I stalk Be the Bird. And Vivian and Vern showed up on my doorstep. They just waltzed in and knocked and said, "Let me in so I can flare around and have a party." So I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to open this up and we're going to see what amazing artwork is inside this box from Diamond Art Club. Okay, we got the camera turned around and Vivian is staring right at us through the box, but we need to open up this package so we can see Vern as well. So I took it out of the box and you get this insert. In the insert, you get your canvas and then here's your toolkit and thank you for your purchase. So we are going to dive in and look at what we've got going on here, just so that you guys know there's 66 colors in here, including one AB, that's Aurora Borealis, and 4 fairy dust. This is a 65 centimeter by 86.9 centimeter. That's 25.5 inches by 34.3 inches. Oh my goodness, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. So your toolkit is going to get your stackable tray with the stopper and the slip cover, the lid that goes in and out, and then you've got your wax and you've got your 7-placer hiding inside. You've also got your transparent wax, which they just started selling separately if you're interested, and then you get your beautiful pen that has the wax pre-filled in here. You just twist and turn, or if you would like, you can use your 3-placer, or you can put in a single placer here and use the pink wax. And then they give you 15 baggies to help you in your endeavor. So that's the toolkit. Then you get your thank you for your purchase. This is absolutely phenomenal. Don't just throw this aside because this has all your goodies in it, including your trading card. How beautiful is that? Vivian and Vern right there on the front. Now, this is a bronze. You can scratch this off and use the code as needed. Go check out the website for what you're looking for. And then here are your stickers. So you have this sticker right here that you can put on your setup or in your journal, start and stop date, all the information that you need about your canvas here. And then you've got your symbols stickers in here inside as well. Like I said, 66 colors. You can see there 62 is the AB and 63 through 66 is your dust drills. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't lose that. You're gonna want it. Okay, let's dive in. I'm so excited. Here we go. All right, this is the soft lint patented backing, absolutely velvety. It also has the serged edges here so that if your canvas decides to be a little naughty, it doesn't unravel. You've got all your social medias across and then your guarantee on the bottom. And then over here you have the name of the canvas and the printing area or the pasting area. All right, so I'm going to turn this around. Look, you can see her feet. So cute. Now, this dotted line right here is so that it shows the perforations. These are 4x4 squares. You're welcome to perforate out as you drill so that you do not expose the rest of the glue. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am so thrilled by this. Okay, before we unroll it completely, let's get up close and personal You can see the drill field right there. Very clear, even in the dark areas. They do everything they can to make sure that their printers are top state of the art. You name it. Okay, so here we go. Vivian, we love you, girl. We love you. Look at that style. I remember when he put this out, I was floored. Absolutely loved it. And there's Vern. You can't, oh, I love that the clocks are in the hat right here. You've got the dragonfly, you've got the bird, the bee right here, just all the things from a Richard Lorenz that you would expect. And just, oh my goodness, the charting on this with all the different reds and oranges and blues down here at the bottom, unbelievable. And the shadowing, the way they add the depth, just not disappointed at all. And then over here, look at this dude. He's like, I'm here, I'm watching, I'm coming to the party. Oh my gosh, this is so, I'm in love. And the bubbles are blowing me away, pun intended. Let me see if I can back the camera out just a little bit more so we can get all of the goodness in there, all of the goodness. Okay, so this is a square, and these are the beautiful drills. As you can see here, it's labeled for you, so if you do separate your drills from your canvas, you should be able to find them easily. I'm going to pause the video so that I can open the drills and not kill you with the crinkle crinkle. Be right back. Okay, and we're back. I just wanted to show you. Okay, first, the 310 is just lonely out here on its own. There's not a lot of the 310. And then here we have the beautiful 66 colors right here. If you guys can see them pretty good. And then we're going to see where the fairy dust and the ABs go in. These are just yellows and oranges and tans. Look at that. A lot of 3825 in there. We've got some 814. Of course, your 666. 815, the 498 is present. Got another train right here. See what I can do to get this up. Okay, so here's our AB. That's 972, and most of the AB is going to be a touch here in his beak, in his hair, and then down here in the outfit. And then you're going to have some scattered throughout the jewels and through the claws down below. And then most of it is up here. So it's going to be in the bubble, here in the clock around it, here in the feathers, bunch here in the bubble, all through the flower. And then, of course, the different bubbles around, and then in Vivian's glasses. And look, the glasses are a clock. I love it. I love it. Okay. So that was our first AB. We're going to keep going. Let's see what dust we find. All these beautiful colors. You know, with this color palette that's more red and orange, I'm just shocked by how many colors. All right, so we got 2 of the 741 fairy dust. When I was looking earlier, this is the C's, and it's everywhere. It is everywhere. It's in the flowers. It's in the clock glasses. It's up here in the hat. It's throughout the feathers of the bird. It's in the claws. It's scattered everywhere. All right, and then let's go to the next chain of events right here. Some of these beautiful blues and greens are really going to pop here. Got this pink salmon-y color. 158 there. Okay, here's our next fairy dust, which is like a mica powder. Let's see if we can get it close enough. You can see it's got just a different gleam to it, where the AB is more of a sequence color, and this one is a W, and the W's are scattered pretty evenly everywhere. You're going to get some in the glasses here. You're going to get some in the hat that I showed you up here. You're going to get some out here. Like, it's pretty much in the different feathers that are throughout this whole painting. They did a really good job of making sure that it was sprinkled throughout. And then you've got your 3865. These are all the white bubbles that you see, all of that. Okay, and then we keep going, and then we've got our last train here, the 824, 825. We're going to keep going. Nothing outlasts the DAC train. It keeps going and going and going. All right, there's our last fairy dust, 826. I'm going to show you where that is in just a minute. We're going to finish this row. Beautiful. So these are a little sparing, but in just the right places. So they're going to be down here in this little turn thing. It's also going to be here just to kind of give it a little bit more glitz right in here. And then up here in Vern's beak, right in here, just to give you a little sprinkle sparkle. So absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Richard Lorenz, you have done it again. And Diamond Art Club, your rendering is absolutely gorgeous as always with the hand charting. Your key is going to be in the upper left and lower right, and you're going to have a fabulous time doing this. So I know people are like, oh my gosh, it sells out so quickly. But the tip is go to the site, put in something random, put in your code, make sure your billing codes are in there, all the good things, and then that way you're all set to go. And then don't wait for your email, don't wait for your text. Start refreshing the minute before it goes live for your tier, and it'll pop up for you. Throw it in your cart and purchase it. If you're purchasing more than 2, I would throw your top 2 in the cart, purchase those right away, and then come back and purchase the other ones. That way you get at least what you want for sure before everything is sold out. And Diamond Art Club has been doing a great job of restocks as well. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, thank you, see you next time, bye-bye.